How to get voice chat on Roblox on iPad. It's going to be the same as for phone. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up Roblox on your iPad and click on more in the bottom right corner. From here, we will go into the settings, and the first thing that we have to do is go into account info. Now make sure that your account is over the age of 13. So here you have to verify your email address as well as your birthday. So make sure you verify your birthday, and after you have verified here, if you have verified it, it is going to say verified. You have to verify either your email address or your phone number. Now, what we have to do next is go back until we go into privacy and content maturity, again from the settings, and here we will just go into communication and then voice chat, and you should see enable microphone. So click on that, I consent, enable, and that's how you get voice chat on Roblox on iPad. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.